Hi, we are Group Mandibles from HCI Session 5, and we are here to introduce our innovative Smart Laundry Basket. Problem 1. Forgot to wash laundry. Introducing the Smart Laundry Basket. With built-in sensors, it monitors the basket fullness and sends a real-time update to your smartphone. No more overflowing basket, no more forgetting. Problem solved. Problem 2. Clothes getting damaged. With our Smart Laundry Basket, solving is a breeze. It identifies the color and the type of clothing and helps categorize them into groups. Say goodbye to your accident color bleeding and vibrant damage. Problem 3. Trouble in setting laundry cycle and forgot to take out the laundry.
A few moments later.
Smart Laundry Basket app make the laundry easier than ever. By searching the model and also choosing the clothes you want to wash, you get a customized laundry circle suggestion. It will guide you step by step for a detergent amount, water level, and washing mode, all optimized for your clothes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.